Foul on who?
They say it's a foul.
Oh, I missed that. Help each other. Hey, Mr. Gabriel. You doing all right? Don't foul, don't foul.
That bitch has his head snaked out like a weasel.
Was that out of bounds or a foul?
It was out now.
Nice rebound. Foul him again. Keep playing D like we are. Don't foul. Get a rebound. Nice, little man. Oh, backcourt. Rebound, Gold. Because Mike is wearing his coach's hat tonight, I have to record. That's Eli. Nice, Eli. Oh. Yeah, that was an ugly shot. He didn't. Come on, Josh. That was supposed to be yours, buddy.
No.
He passed that behind.
I'm not wearing my glasses. Hands up. Hold on. That's what you call a hustle.
They don't need Rutledge to take the ball. It's almost useless.
Y'all gotta push through. Come on, get to that ball. Don't wait on it. That's right, push past him, push past him. That wasn't no foul. That was.
I could have 30 points.
This is gonna be a. Push through, push through, push through. That's right. This our goal? Oh, double. Which have an outside shot?
I haven't seen them shoot that.
Travel.
It's all right.
No.
Push through, push through. Way to go, go! He got it in this time. Get that rebound.
Mom, they're going left side.
Yeah, they move back. Nice. Hold on to it. Don't go to that left side. I thought that was a backcourt. That's all right.
Back over before they got across the line.
I got you. Oh, Oh, watch it, watch it, watch it. Oh, what's his name? What's his name? Brennan. That wasn't a bad shot. Oh, one of them. Oh, Josh, you could have had that one, buddy. Ding! Oh! Nice. Oh, he was out. He was out. Get the rebound. Don't leave.
Brennan needs to seriously do something.
Let him do what he know to do. Yeah, get in there, get in. Get over to the... Did that go in?
Nothing but net.
All right, Jacob. Yeah, I didn't know it went in. Oh, hold on to it. Hold on.
They want to let everyone.
Nice, Rutledge. Take it. Easy. That's all right. We got it next time.
I think Josh did. That was a foul, Mom.
You got to make that, buddy. Take your time and set it up. All right. 2-shot game.
And most of the people on this team are right-handed.
Let's play some D.
There's too many things to watch as a ref.
Y'all got to make the shot now.
Oh,
Don't leave them open, y'all. Make it, Rutledge. Maitland.
why didn't he shoot it? Mom.
Don't be scared.
They already have a good lead, really good lead.
Make it. That's go ball, I believe. You got to get that ball in there. Y'all don't have all day now. Got to get the rebound though. Oh, I think that's Jeremiah's former classmate. Alright. Let's go, Kobe. It's alright.
Well, he steps forward and wide like I do.
Gotta get that rebound. Whoa, you almost.
Mom, well, I think everybody can get free throw.
Yeah, it should be. Come on, y'all. That's alright. Don't get frustrated. Just get yourself set up.
Mom, that's an offensive foul.
Who fouled him? Sorry, y'all. I can't see. You gotta get that rebound. Put the pressure on him. Put the pressure on him. Y'all got to get that rebound. Oh, that was that was a That's a foul. Oh man, Jeremiah. Somebody said bring it out. Somebody screamed for him. Oh, I thought that was in there. Oh, he just made another three, Tony. Don't go. That's right. That's it. That was an easy take. Help him out, y'all. Help him out. Tell him where to go.
Number 4.
Let's go. Go for it. Please make it. Y'all got to make these shots. Let's go, Rutledge. Let's go in.
He shouldn't shot that.
Yeah, Jeremiah could have set himself up better. Nice, Jerry. Woo! Get up, get up, get up. Let it go. Let it go. Take it from him. Take it. Take it. Push him to the right.
On both sides.
Don't. Nice. Nice.
Walk down, take a walk down.
Get him, low man. Why y'all? Josh and Jeremiah y'all gotta get the rebound. Get him, little man. No. Should have taken it in.
Yes, Jeremiah.
Oh no, he's been out there.
Oh, he's in there? Oh, okay. I
He's been
missed
out
it.
there.
Eli boy still ain't changed. He still got a high pitch boy. Y'all got to bring it in, take it in. They're going to try to hold it. Come on, ref. Oh, dude. Oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh. What you say? Watch, 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 watch. Get him, Josh. Get him. Pressure. Let it go. Let it go. Oh.
Last minute. Back court.
He knew he couldn't get it. Oh, you got me. Nice, Rutledge. Push past him. I got it. Be there, be there. Come on, Jared. Oh.